Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making pizza on my Weber kettle using a pizza stone. I'm also going to be using a vortex. So the idea is I'm going to put the coals around the vortex, and look, some in the middle, radiant heat around the coals. It'll make more sense once it's all set up. I'm going to light the coals, so let's get to cooking. So you can see my setup here. I've got a few coals in the middle, and then some other coals going around the outside of this vortex, so it's going to be sort of convexing the heat around. Let's put the lid on, let everything warm up, get up to temperature, and I'm going to put the stone on. So as you can see, I've got my onions prepared, and my baby plum tomatoes, and bell pepper. That's all cut up, ready to go onto the pizza. Next thing I'm going to do is roll out the pizza dough and get it ready. Next off, it's base time. What I've done, I've used half a tube of tomato puree, a good glug of just normal olive oil. You mix it all together. So it just sort of like drops down. Add a teaspoon of sugar. It makes the tomato taste a lot better, and it sort of takes the bitterness away. And then just to finish it off, a little bit of lemon. Now you're thinking, why has he got olive oil and lemon together in a tomato sauce? You just watch this. You see the shine it's got on it now, and that's going to get all the way through. All the way through that, and it smells, I don't know, so much better. Sort of like going to give it a fragrant flavour, but you won't be able to put your finger on it when you're eating the pizza. So next thing as well, yeah, perfect, just what I wanted. So here we go for my pizza. I rolled it really thin because I like a nice thin crispy base. It's my tomato mix that I made up earlier. Bung it all on. So I'm the last guy standing. Should be pretty good. Next up, cheese. Some nice mozzarella on there. Not too much. That's it. Now we get some lovely onions going. Break them all up a bit so they cook better. Got some nice peppers on as well. Get some tomatoes. Some olives, just break them up on my hands, so I've got a knife, just tear them open. Let's not forget some meat, some nice ham here, so I'm just going to actually just drop that on. olives on. Olives are nice, I like them. We finish off with a bit of cheese. So it goes all a bit oozy and lovely. Okay, next stop, barbecue. Oh, actually no. If a job's worth doing, might as well do it properly. While I'm doing this, I'd like to give a shout out to my nephew Taylor. He come round my house one day and we made some pizzas together. So this pizza video, Taylor, is dedicated to you. Right, so next stop is the barbecue. Let's get this on my pizza paddle. Put him around a bit. Next stop, grab a kettle. So he's on the kettle, all ready to cook. I'll get the lid on, and then when it's done, I'll let you have a look. Let's take a look at this pizza, see how we're getting on. Oh yeah, that looks good. Look, I'll serve that up and get tucked in. So the pizza's off the barbecue, I'll cut it up. Next thing, taste test. Oh. You hear the crunch. I do love a thin pizza base. Right, so it's taste test time. Let's try this pizza out. It's a good pizza. It's a really good pizza. Have a bit more. Got a really nice crusty base, nice and thin. The sauce is rich with the lemon juice and olive oil. And the toppings are my favourite. So, you couldn't really want for a better pizza, really. If you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button up there. Also, check out these videos below. While I'm here, I'd like to give a shout out to the Kitchen Queers because I watched your video this morning and I thought I'm going to make a pizza today. So thank you for the inspiration. This is Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon.